Understanding TSP withdrawals. Navigating retirement can be tricky, especially when it comes to Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, withdrawals. Understanding your options is key to preserving your savings and ensuring a stable financial future. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified guide to TSP withdrawals. 1. Lump sum withdrawal. Take your entire balance at once. While convenient, it can lead to significant taxes and deplete savings if not managed well. 2. Partial withdrawal. Withdraw part of your funds, leaving the rest invested. This gives you flexibility for future needs. 3. Monthly installments. Receive regular monthly payments for a steady income stream throughout retirement. 4. Annuity purchase. Convert your TSP into a guaranteed lifetime income, but lose some flexibility. 5. Combination. Mix and match options to tailor withdrawals to your financial needs. Tax implications. Traditional TSP withdrawals are taxable, while Roth TSP withdrawals are tax-free under certain conditions. Planning with a tax advisor is important. Timing. Withdrawals before age 59.5 may incur an early withdrawal penalty. Careful timing can help avoid extra costs. Considerations for TSP withdrawals. 1. Retirement income needs. Estimate how much income you'll need for essential expenses and lifestyle. 2. Investment strategy. After withdrawals, you may need to adjust your remaining investments for continued growth. 3. Long-term financial goals. Align withdrawals with your broader financial plans, including estate planning. 4. Future contributions. If you plan to work again, consider how future contributions and withdrawals impact your savings. In summary, your TSP withdrawal strategy should consider your income needs, tax situation, and long-term goals to ensure a secure retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.